Hey crafters, it's your girl again with another video. Today's video is gonna be like pack order with me. I'm about to pack some orders. I packed some orders this week and shipped it out yesterday actually. No, 2 days ago. I packed some orders and I shipped it out, and I am trying to pack some more orders because tomorrow is Saturday. I'm trying to make sure those orders get to the customers before certain dates because their kid's birthday is coming up so soon. So I'm gonna pack up these orders, few of these orders that I have, and next week I'm gonna pack up the rest of the orders. So we're just gonna start working. The sales is coming back up, thank God, and I'm happy about it. So probably because the holiday is over and now everything is back to normal again, so I'm excited about it. I kind of missed it. When I hear the ching ching, I'm like, oh, that was the sound that usually freak me out when I hear, but now it's like, oh yeah, I missed that sound as much as I thought. I was thinking I was not gonna miss that sound because I needed some break, but that's enough break. My accounts don't need that kind of break, so I'm like, you know what, I'm happy to get back to getting busy again, and I got all my help that I need. I'm getting myself ready for summer, Mother's Day, because I make sweatshirt as well. So I'm getting myself prepped, and I'm getting help. I contacted different companies to see if they can help me make my shirts. The birthday shirts, I'm just gonna send the design so that they can help me print it out and press it, or the Mother's Day sweatshirt as well. So I'm just trying to make sure this year I don't overstress myself like I did last year. Last year it was a lot, but you know what, there was a lot of coin in my pocket, but this time I told myself I don't want to stress myself out because I got my own job, my full-time job. Well, it's not full-time anymore. I'm doing part-time, 32 hours, so I don't know. That is very close to full-time, but so I'm trying not to overstress myself this year. So I am getting help from different places. My mom is the one in charge of tutus now. She's so good with tutus. I can't even, like, she does tutus so fast, faster than me. That woman can do like 30 tutu in 2 days. I'm like, how do you do it? Sometimes she's like, I'm done with your tutus. I said, I just told you to make like 30 tutus or 25 tutus 2 days ago, and you're already done with it. She's like, yeah. I'm like, oh, you're a beast now. So she goes so fast, and I'm happy about that. And she does it real good. Like, she is very, very good. Look at the tutu behind me. She makes all my tutus now. Like, she is so good, and she knows what I want. So I trained her real good. So she is so good. So like I said, I'm trying to have somebody do my shirts, and I'm still on it. I'm still going back and forth on that, and I haven't made up my mind if that's the route I want to go yet, but I know I need that help. So Mother's Day last year was crazy with my tutu business. It was a lot. So this year I'm trying to make sure that I'm ready for Mother's Day, and this last year I told myself I was gonna make sure I'm gonna outsource, but the way my design is, I cannot do the print on demand, so I gotta look for somebody that is local so they can help me out. So that's what I'm doing. But anyways, let's get into this video. I don't want to have to be talking about that when this is a pack order with me video. So these are all the orders that are going, and I have some few here that I'm going to pack as well. I am not 100% done with everything. So, oopsie, this camera is not standing right. So I have some that I need to fold and put in a pack. So, yes. So I'm just happy that things are coming back up because it was really slow that I was like, oh my gosh, I've never been this slow except when I just started this business, and it's been going so good. But all of a sudden, the Christmas time, everything got so slow and very consigned. I kind of missed it. So right now I'm just packing the orders in the bag so that I have my chair here, that I have my packing bags. It's really been a while I did pack orders with me. I have orders that I need to pack with you guys, but I have a lot of orders. I've been having a lot of orders to pack with you guys, but I've not really had the motivation to do on camera because I don't know, sometimes, you know, we have sometimes it's so difficult to grab a camera to do all of this, to do this and be talking on the camera. I just like to go so fast when I'm working, and sometimes I have my kids here and they're all like in my way, interrupting me sometimes. So I just, you know, sometimes don't want to do pack orders with me. So, but we will do it today. So you guys know I always print out my packing slips because that helps me real good, real talk. It does help so good. When I just started, I wasn't printing out this here. It was so hard. So, but now that I started printing out, it is really helpful. I kind of stay organized with that. So, I have a sweatshirt as well that needs to go. All of this I want to go today. What's this one? Okay. Oh, there we go. So I have this one here. I have this. Most of these orders are not due to be shipped out, but I always like to ship out ahead of time, and that way I don't have to think about it or worry about it. It's out of my way, and that really boosts my reviews because people talk about, you know, how I shipped the item so fast. So rather than sitting on it, I'm like, why do I want to sit on it when I can ship it out? You know, this is one that gotta go as well. I haven't printed out the shipping label. Most of them here I haven't printed out the shipping label, which I will be printing out. I got two types of lawn tags, and I made this on Canva. So this one is for my tutu business. This one is for my sweatshirt business. So whenever I'm packing tutu up, I use this one. Whenever I'm packing sweatshirt, I use this one. But sometimes I'm always out of this one for the most part, so I end up using this. But I just wanted to give you guys ideas if you're doing kind of business that I'm doing, t-shirts, sweatshirts, and tutu, and the whole set. You know, in order for me to differentiate them, this is what I do. Why this one has a do not bleach, do not dry, do not iron, because for tutu we don't want that. So yeah, I just wanted to point that out to you guys so you can have an idea. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and pack this one up. I'm not good in folding. I fold however I can. And I was telling myself, you got a t-shirt business and you cannot really fold. Yeah, I can't do anything else that you ask me to do with the shirt, design and all of that, but to fold it, I'm not the best in folding. I'll do what I can do, and I'm like, why? At first I was stressing out over it, but I'm like, this people are gonna take it off. Maybe they see, they just wanna, they may not be paying attention to all my folding I'm doing. Alrighty. So for this one, I always ship it out using priority because it's so heavy. those of you that are wondering if I ever use a scale, I do use a scale, but I kind of know what the weight a regular tutu weighs, and I know what our sweatshirt weighs. And for regular tutu, I always go for 9 ounces because sometimes it's less than that, but I go for 9 ounces. I go for 9 ounces because I just want it to, you know, I don't want the post office to reject anything and increase my money, because it's not gonna be the Etsy amount at that point, it's gonna be post office amount. So I try as much as possible to give it, you know, put more weight on it. So this is my scale that I always use for the most part. Like I told you guys, 9 ounces. If I can bring you guys closer, I will. So this says 6.5, but I always make it 9. It don't matter what you put it. Like for me, when I look at it, if I put 6.5, it's gonna charge me the same amount that it's gonna charge me for 9. So I'm like, why do I want to do all of that? So I'll just put it at 9. I think if you go more than 9 ounces, it's gonna charge more. Let me show you guys this. You guys see that? 6.5. It's reading backwards because I'm using my front camera. But anyways, now I'm gonna go ahead and start packing this up. I have my packing slip here. See all of them here, and I'm going to print some more. So the ones that I do not have, I will print them out. You see, I cannot wait for this my label to get finished, because I think I got the wrong label, so I have to be using my scissors to cut each time, and it's not fun at all. So yeah, so now I am just gonna go ahead and put each of the label on the right ones before I package them. These are all the ones that I need to print their labels, so I'm verifying to make sure. Alright, now I'm just gonna go ahead and print out the rest of the labels, because I'm not done printing, obviously not. So I am going to go ahead and let it run. So make sure you guys can see me. Move away so I don't share people's private information. So I wouldn't want someone to share mine, so I wouldn't do that. So now I'm just going through all of this what do you call it now, this packing slip, to see the ones that I need to print out and ship out with this pack. So I have everything all over the place. Alright guys, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and pack the orders. So all of this that I'm putting in here, they're supposed to go in a priority box. So I'm just gonna take them like this to the post office, in each of the bags, so I don't mix them up. So when I go to the post office, I'm just gonna put them in the box and ship them out. So that's my plan. I take my what they call it, my sellotape, so they don't charge me for something new. I'm okay with it. Mommy's feet. Thank you. Alright, go see your daddy. Go check on daddy. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for hanging with me as always. Stay positive, work hard, and make it happen. I gotta go to the post office. I gotta go get my eyebrows done, so I'm running behind time, so I'm just gonna wrap this up here right now. Anyways guys, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.